Okay, so we have one more thing left. That is, we have to show the user what is the total tax and shipping and everything. Okay, so to do that, I think we can do it here also in the initial state. Should we? Hmm. I mean, when I add to the cart, um, okay, okay, maybe let's do that. Let's say cart data. Will that be troublesome later down the road? Let me think. No, I think it would be fine because we'll move to checkout. So it's just about showing the data. So we won't do anything with it. So we can set it up in the store. So inside cart data, I will say tax, and initially it would be 0, and total also be 0, and uh, wait. No, no, let's not do that. We'll just do it in the cart drawer. Okay. Let's take a use effect, and we want to cart items as a dependency. And where is use effect coming from? That is not where I want to import it from. Okay, and inside here, if there is cart items, if cart items okay, so initially it would be tax would be 0, and total would be 0. What else do we have? We have shipping, subtotal. Let's do 0, and cart items dot for each item. Okay, I think we'll need separate states. Ah, come on. Let's do separate state. What else? So we do not want to set it. We want to add with the previous amount, right? So let's do previous plus item dot price, right? And set total would be uh, tax plus subtotal. Okay. So inside here, what we have is we have flex call. I think I'll take another div. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, with this one. And for this one, I'll say card data wrapper. Okay. So in here, I'll do card data wrapper and I'll do height of 100 VH and display flex direction column and justify content space between. So it will take the whole height and push the cart elements to the top, and whatever I enter here will be at the bottom. So let's try if it works. So after that div, I'll do another div and let's do h4 subtotal and the value would be subtotal. Okay. And instead of 100 VH, what if we do 100%? Because cart already has a height, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Mm, okay, why is the total that big? Uh, is it really the big 9,000? Okay, it's bigger now. Okay, let's do a calculation. So we have 18,000 into 10. Okay, that's not adding up. That should be more, right? 36. Nope, it's not working. Okay.